Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School students. This is the class for 8th standard subject social science, topic geography, agriculture. Yes, agriculture. It is a major activity which includes growing of crops, fruits, veggies, that means vegetables, flowers, etc. Word origin. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin word agri, which means soil and culture. Soil plus cultivation. So, nothing but agriculture is soil cultivation. It is a primary activity which includes growing of crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc. Agri is a Latin word which means soil and culture. Yes, this is the mind map for agriculture. Yes, it is a Latin word, agri. Meaning of agriculture is soil and culture. That means soil cultivation. There are types of farmings are there. There are some geographical requirements are there. They are soil, water, land and temperature. Land, soil, water and temperature. They are geographical requirements for agriculture. There are three economic activities. They are primary, secondary and tertiary. Three economic activities are there. Yes, there are some major crops. They are food crops, beverage crop and fiber crops. What are they? Now we are going to see the crops. Food crop, rice and wheat. Fiber crops, cotton and jute. Beverage, tea and coffee. These are the crops, major crops. Now we are going to see the different variants of word culture. Agriculture, there are 5 words are there related to that. Agriculture, there are different variants of word culture. Agriculture, viticulture, sericulture, horticulture and pisciculture. Now we are going to see the definitions. Agriculture means cultivation of soil. Viticulture, cultivation of grapes. Sericulture, commercial rearing of silkworms. Commercial rearing of silkworms. Horticulture, growing fruits, vegetables, flowers for commercial use. Pisciculture, breeding of fish for commercial gain. இதெல்லாம் வியாபார நோக்கத்தோடு அதிக அளவில் செய்கிறது இல்லையா? எஸ். அக்ரிகல்ச்சர், கல்டிவேஷன் ஆஃப் சாயில். வெட்டிகல்ச்சர், கல்டிவேஷன் ஆஃப் கிரேப்ஸ். செரிகல்ச்சர், commercial rearing of silkworms. Horticulture, growing fruits and vegetables, flowers for commercial use. Then pisciculture, breeding of fish for commercial gain. Yes. Now we are going to see the primary activities. Economic activities which are connected with extraction and production of natural resources. Examples are fishing and agriculture. They are called primary activities. Economic activities which are connected with extraction and production of natural resources. Example, fishing, agriculture. Then secondary activities. Economic activities which are connected with the processing of natural resources, manufacturing of steel, baking of bread. These two are examples. Secondary activities, economic activities which are connected with the processing of natural resources. Examples are manufacturing of steel, baking of bread. Then the third one, tertiary activities which provide support to primary and secondary sectors through services. Example, transport and trade. Example, transport and trade. Next, organic farming. It is a type of farming in which organic manure and natural pesticides are used in place of chemicals. Organic, what is the meaning of organic farming? It is a type of farming in which organic manure and natural pesticides are used in place of chemicals. Mixed farming. It is a farming in which crops are raised and livestock are kept on the farm to have an animal products. What is the meaning of mixed farming? It is a farming in which crops are raised and livestock are kept on the farm to have animal products. Yes. Shall we see the topic? What are the topics we are going to see under the lesson of agriculture? Yes, let us listen, children. Farm system, types of farming, major crops, agricultural development. Now I am going to give some hard words related to this topic. Now listen, children. Categories, plugging, mixed farming, beverage crops, extraction, fertilizers, organic manure, modification, golden fiber, topography, implements, alluvial soil, traditional knowledge, well drained and technology. These are the hard words for you. Can I read again? Categories, plugging, mixed farming, beverage crops, extraction, fertilizers, organic manure, modification, golden fiber, topography, implements, alluvial soil, traditional knowledge, well drained and technology. Can I give some meanings to you? Yes. Agriculture. It is a primary activity which includes the grazing of crops, fruits, vegetables and flowers. What is the meaning of agriculture? Agriculture is a primary activity which includes the growing of crops, fruits, vegetables and flowers. Organic farming. It is the type of farming in which organic manure and natural pesticides are used in place of chemicals. Mixed farming. Farming in which crops are raised and livestock are kept on the farm to have animal product. Now, subsistence farming. It is the farming in which a farmer raises crops to meet the needs of his family. Subsistence farming means it is the farming in which a farmer raises crops to meet the needs of his family. Labor intensive industry. Industry which employs a large number of persons directly or indirectly for producing a Commodity. Industry which employs a large number of persons directly or indirectly for producing a commodity. Example, tea. Yes. In your video itself, there is a PDF part for you. In that PDF, you are going to get all the 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 mark, 5 marks are there. Now I am going to read the 1 mark part for you. There are 3 types of 1 marks are there. First one is fill in the blanks. Yes. Dash soil and climate are vital factors for agricultural activities. Answer is topography. Answer. What is the answer? Topography. Yes. Topography, soil and climate are vital factors for agricultural activities. Second one. Advertising is an example of dash activity. Advertising is an example of dash activity. It is a territory activity. Third one. Jute is grown intensively in dash and dash. Jute is grown intensively in India and Bangladesh. In India and Bangladesh. The word agriculture is derived from a dash word. The word agriculture is derived from Latin word. Agriculture means dash of soil. Agriculture means dash of soil. Cultivation of soil. Yes. Now I am going to read only the answers for fill in the blanks. First one, topography. Second one, territory. Third one, India and Bangladesh. Fourth one, Latin. Fifth one, cultivation. Now I am going to say some yes or no. Now I am going to say some sentences. Can you guess whether the answers are true or false? Yes. Cash crops are grown in subsistence farming. Answer is false. Gathering is a primary activity. Answer is true. Beverages are labor-intensive crops. Answer is true. Shifting agriculture is shifting of crops after a few years. Answer is false. Mixed farming is a type of commercial farming. Answer is true. Now I am going to read the answer in one word. Now I am going to ask some questions. Already we saw in the mind map part and different variants word culture part. Can you guess the answer? Yes. What is the cultivation of grapes? Yes. What is the cultivation of grapes? You already seeing in the screen itself. The answer is viticulture. Cultivation of grapes. Viticulture. Second one, which is also known as paddy. Which is also known as paddy. Rice. Answer is rice. Which country is a leading producer of rice among our neighboring countries? Answer is China. Answer is China. What type of soil is good for growing wheat? Loamy soil. What type of soil is good for growing wheat? Loamy soil. Which fiber requires frost-free days to grow? Which fiber requires frost-free days to grow? Cotton. Shall I say the one word answer again? Cultivation of grapes, viticulture, also known as paddy, rice. A country leading producer of rice, China. Type of soil is grown for growing wheat, loamy. Which fiber requires frost day free grow? Cotton. Okay. Now we are going to see the topic wise 3 marks part. What are the different variants of word culture? Yes, agriculture, viticulture, sericulture, horticulture and pisciculture. This is the first 3 mark part for you. The question is, what are the different variants of word culture? Agriculture, cultivation of soil. Viticulture, cultivation of grapes. Sericulture, commercial rearing of silkworms. Horticulture, growing fruits, vegetables, flowers for commercial use. Pisciculture, breeding of fish for commercial gain. This is the first 3 mark question under the topic 1. Under the topic 1. Now we are going to see the second question. Explain subsistence agricultural farming. Can I read the question again? Explain subsistence agriculture farming. Subsistence farming is done to meet the needs of the farmer's family. The first point is subsistence farming is done to meet the needs of the farmer's family. Second point, low level of technology and more of manual labor is used. Low level of technology and more of manual labor is used. Third point, size of the farm is generally small. Third point, size of the farm is generally small. Fourth one, primitive subsistence includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Primitive subsistence include shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. This is the subsistence agricultural farming. Next we are going to see commercial farming and its different types. Now we are going to see commercial farming with its different types. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals reared for sale. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals reared for sale. Second point, large area and capital is used. Large area and capital is used. Work is mainly done by machines. Work is mainly done by machines. Now, types of commercial farming. Commercial grain farming, mixed farming, plantation, agriculture. Commercial grain farming, mixed farming, plantation, agriculture. Yes, these are the types of commercial farming. Next question is, what are the characteristic of features of plantations? What are the characteristic features of plantations? Plantations are another type of commercial farming. Plantations are another type of commercial farming. Cultivation is done on a large farms with machines. Cultivation is done on large farms with machines. Single crop like rubber, tea, coffee, sugarcane, cotton, etc. are grown. Single crop like rubber, tea, coffee, sugarcane, cotton, etc. are grown. Large amount of labor and capital is required. Large amount of labor and capital is required. Processed on the farms or nearby factories. Processed on the farms or nearby factories. These are the features of plantations. Can I read the point again? Plantations are another type of commercial farming. Cultivation is done on large farms with machines. Single crop like rubber, tea, coffee, sugarcane, cotton, etc. are grown. Large amount of labor and capital is required. processed on the farms or nearby factories. Now, which factors decide the type of farming a region? Farming in a region. Geographical condition, demand for produce, labor, level of technology. The answers are geographical conditions, demand for produce, labor and level of technology. These factors decide the type of farming in a region. These are the factors decide the type of farming in a region. Okay, now second one. Name the major agricultural crops. There are food crops, fiber crops, beverage crops and plantation crops. The examples are food crops, rice, wheat, millets and maize. Fiber crops, jute and cotton. Beverage crops, tea and coffee. Plantation crops, rubber. Yes. Describe the main characteristics of shifting agriculture. Now we are going to see the shifting agriculture. In shifting agriculture, a plot of land is cleared by felling trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with soil, which works as a fertilizers. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned. Cultivators move to a new plot. Now I am going to read the shifting agriculture. In shifting agriculture, the plot of land is cleared by felling trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with soil, which works as a fertilizers. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned. Cultivators move to a new plot. Yes. These are the question answers part for you. Shall we see the agriculture mind map again? Yes. It's a word of Latin word. It means agri. It means soil cultivation. There are 3 economic activities are there. They are primary, secondary and tertiary. Then there are some geographical requirements are there. They are land, soil, water and temperature. There are types of crops are there. Major crops are food crops, fiber crops and beverage crops. The examples for food crops are rice and wheat. Fiber crops are cotton and jute. Then beverage crops are tea and coffee. Let us watch the video well. Then I hope you all understand this lesson. This is very easy and simple for you. Okay, let us see in the next class, children.